Hi, I'm Tom Bowling here at Pioneer Imports and Wholesale, and I've brought today to show you the lamb's ear garland, which is absolutely amazing unto itself. And this, as you see, the beauty is automatic. It's easily manipulated. It can open up. You can run ribbon through it, add additional vases, votive candles, etc. But what I really wanted to share with you today is the garland that we've done and with the enhancement to that. And you'll notice how that gray just takes your eye from one location to the other, dances your eye through. And I want to share with you just a little bit about how to glue in additional materials. Now, if you took a stem, just a regular straight stem, and tried to glue that in, it really doesn't grab. So normally what I like to do is kind of manipulate the rest of that stem, give me something to really get the glue on and through, lift up, and then do the insertion right in so that actually grabs onto the garland or the other materials. As you're seeing here with the hydrangea, same way, dipping that in my glue, putting that into place right there. And then after it's all finished, I would either take a hair dryer or a heat gun on low and go over the entire garland to make sure all those glue strings disappear. The lamb's ear collection is a beautiful look for 2020. I know that you're going to take a full advantage of that and feel really good about the fact that you can offer lamb's ear now in so many different ways. Enjoy.